Hello friends, today I want to show you our meeting with Thomas Blug. This is very famous musician in Europe, and I was excited with his playing and feeling of the instrument. This was a great meeting, and Thomas has YouTube channel and make content for #1 Guitar Center. Link here and in the description. Subscribe for these channels, and this is very useful information for such guys like us. And today I want to show you a meeting with comparison our guitars and my pickups, my PAF pickups with original PAF pickups. I think this will be interesting, but a full version of this video you can find in Maker level on my Patreon page. And now, let's go!
What kind of pot?
These pots.
Okay.
Vintage-inspired pickups.
Yeah. I try to get a real one, just to compare. Wait a minute.
A real one.
Yeah, we have everything.
Das ist 59 original.
This is real one.
Hast du einen 59 mit Covers?
Nee.
I like that sparkle, no? I just grab this one.
Yeah.
So, I love gold tops.
Yeah, I know. Noch eine Original.
This is a 70, 80s Gibson.
Yeah, 60s,
Okay.
70s, something.
Yeah. So and it's but it's two original puffs. So that's it's more fair. Es gibt noch eine Sache, wenn man hier runter geht, ne, so, und wenn du hier beim Ton ein bisschen zudrehst, wird es auch heller.
Ja,
Ja,
das hält auf. Ja.
Ne? Also die Mitten gehen weg und es bleiben die Höhen.
Ja.
Und das ist, ich meine, das ist die komplette Elektronik. And the more gain. Ich bin süchtig nach den Höhen.
ja.
Okay, das ist die, okay. Aber eigentlich bin ich ja Stratspieler. Und bei mir ist das halt noch schlimmer, weil ich habe hier Treble Bleed drin, ne? Also, ne? Okay, das ist nicht original, aber ich bin immer auf der Suche nach dem Phänomen. Ne? Und geile Puffs können das und die anderen können es nämlich nicht. Und deine Puffs können das voll aufgedreht. It's super transparent. It is exactly what I like. It's like the Tele on steroids phenomena, no? which most other pickups don't have. Like this is. It's nice.
Симтоником.
А не какой год? Наверняка
Он такой плоский. Три куска.
Mehr Sparkle für mich.
очень похоже.
like that, but I'm for some reason I just like gold tops. It's
Yeah, gold tops. It's
Les Paul gold top and struts. So that's why. But it's has no reason. It's just me. It's
yeah. I really like gold tops.
This one is also great, but the string action is very low for me.
Yeah, maybe.
I hit in hard, and this one is like you have to play softer. But this of course you can easily adjust. It's no problem. Cool.
The full version of this video published on my Patreon page in Maker Level. So my friends, thank you for watching. I hope this was useful for you. But now I will say goodbye to you, but not for long. Stay with me. Rock and roll for all.